Welcome to Cultivated, the podcast where sustainable landscapes meet smart solutions. I'm Eric Behunin, founder of SmartYard and Horticultural Group, and for over 2 decades, I've been in the thick of it. From municipal parks to multi-million-dollar maintenance contracts, helping people like you rethink how we manage green space. This podcast is built for cities, contractors, homeowners, and anyone else tired of outdated solutions and ready for smarter ways to care for our landscapes. Today's episode, our first, is titled Public Green Spaces, Automate or Fall Behind. We're diving into the real reasons cities are struggling to maintain their outdoor spaces and why automation isn't just an upgrade, it's a necessity. Let's start with a reality check. If you're a public works director, a park supervisor, or running facilities for a school district or church, you already know the struggle. Hiring seasonal crews? Nearly impossible. Keeping up with mowing? Forget about it. Grass is always ahead. Fuel and labor costs? Skyrocketing. And public pressure? Higher than ever. Cities are being asked to do more with fewer people, less budget, and tighter schedules, while still making parks pristine and school fields sports ready. And here's the truth most city leaders are starting to realize. The traditional landscape maintenance model is no longer sustainable. We're using the same playbook we've had since the 1980s, but the workforce has changed. Technology has changed, and public expectations have changed. It's time our approach changed too. So what's the solution? 2 words: landscape automation. Let me paint a picture. A robotic mower trims a cemetery lawn 7 days a week, silent, emission-free, and perfectly consistent. A school campus irrigates only when moisture levels drop, not on a timer. A city park gets daily microcuts that improve turf health while freeing up city crews to focus on pruning, planting, and repairs. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now in cities across Utah, and in programs we've helped design for churches, schools, and even cemeteries. Let me give you an example. At a recent pilot site we supported, robotic mowers covered 5 acres that previously took a 2-person crew nearly 8 hours per week to maintain. The robots? They mow daily, take up 0 crew time, and cost less per month than 1 part-time seasonal worker. That's the power of automation, not just savings, but consistency, safety, and scalability. Now let's connect the dots. You've got aging maintenance crews, fewer applicants, tight budgets, increasing property square footage, and more demand for clean, green public spaces. Cities that used to manage 20 acres per staff member are now responsible for 40-60. This staffing gap isn't going away, and it's forcing cities to ask, how do we maintain quality without burning out our crews or blowing the budget? The answer? Automate the routine, reassign the talent, redefine the standard. Now, if you're listening and thinking, this sounds great, Eric, but how do we even start? That's where we come in. At Horticultural Group, we work with cities to audit their properties, build automation-ready specifications, run ROI models, and most importantly, guide implementation from pilot to permanent. Whether it's building the right RFP language, sourcing dependable robotic partners, or training your in-house crews on sustainable practices, we help make automation easy to adopt and hard to ignore. And if you're a city or school district that needs help making your green space smarter, send me a message. You can also check out the show notes for links to schedule a walkthrough. So here's the big takeaway from today. Public green space is no longer just about mowers and manpower. It's about systems and strategy. Automation isn't a future trend. It's a present solution that's solving real problems for real cities, right now. If you're in a leadership position, the question isn't, should we automate? It's, will we lead or fall behind? Thanks for joining me for this inaugural episode of Cultivated. Next Monday, we'll dive deeper into spec writing for automated maintenance, how to write bids that attract better contractors and produce better results. And remember, you can catch us every weekday. Mondays for municipal leaders, Tuesdays for contractors, Wednesdays for homeowners, Thursdays for garden lovers, and Fridays for all things automation and tech. Until then, I'm Eric Behunin, Let's grow something smarter together. Cultivated is brought to you by SmartYard and Horticultural Group, leaders in landscape automation, sustainability consulting, and smart green space solutions. Check the show notes to learn more.